I got a new Nerf gun, and I'm going to show you how to use it. So these, you get a bullet from a pack, and these bullets were out when I got them, and you put them in, and then see this, you pull this back, and then this opens, and then you put this in here. Well, these bullets are facing this way, where the barrel is. And then you put it in until it snaps. Then you put this. And then you do this. Then they shoot. Blasting. So that's how it works. And this is very powerful. And it might hurt you if you try to shoot yourself.